Hi everyone, good morning. This is Bonnie from Encaptis. I'm the solution coordinator here. Just wanted to welcome you all to our February Wednesday webinar, and today we're going to be continuing our business analytics series with Jimmy. And today he's going to be showing the capabilities of dashboards and their components. As usual, we will be having a question and answer period at the end of the webinar, so if you guys could please hold your questions until then, that would be great. For those of you that have missed the webinar that Jimmy did on our analytics series, part 1, just want to remind all of you that all the recordings are on our YouTube channel on Encaptis, so if you want to go to YouTube and type in Encaptis Business Solutions, you will find all the recordings there. So just wanted to turn it over to Jimmy. Jimmy, are you there?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to change the presenter right now quickly. And
Okay.
Great.
Can you
All
see my
yours,
screen?
Jimmy.
Okay, good morning everyone. This is Jimmy. Welcome to our February webinar. Today I will be presenting on how to create a dashboard with SAP Business One data using SAP Crystal Dashboard Design 4.0. So in this webinar, I will be introducing the usability of dashboards, benefits for a business to run a dashboard, and some components commonly used in dashboard design. Then with a business scenario provided, I will show a dashboard demo. And next, I will show how default and customized dashboards work in SAP Business One. And then at the end, we will have a Q&A session. As you may know, dashboard is a BI tool for decision making. You will see dashboards used not only in business operations, but also in many other areas, such as healthcare, sports, and scientific research. A dashboard application can provide a graphical and friendly interface for users to measure KPIs. Moreover, with some advanced mathematical models built in, some dashboards can even enable users to analyze historical numbers and predict the future trends. Different industries and companies have different KPIs to monitor. A dashboard can help you get the insight of your business through those KPIs at a glance. When thinking of implementing a dashboard application for your business, as a decision maker, you should take the following benefits into consideration. With a dashboard running, you will get the real-time and holistic performance summary, easily turn complex business numbers into easy-to-understand visualizations. Also, you can analyze and interact with your historical transactional data and predict the future forecasts and make significant decisions. To me, a dashboard is actually a combination of different KPIs. In the demo, I will introduce some components such as line charts, pie charts, gauges, and sliders. These components are commonly used. A line chart is very useful when visualizing trends that changes over time. A pie chart can show the impact of the number when comparing to other values or grand totals. Gauges are used as intuitive indicators for key performance values. A slider allows users to put in different values and see how the results changes. The slider is an excellent approach to interact with your data, especially for some what-if scenarios. The following dashboard demo is created for such a business scenario. The management team wants to view the sales data in the past 3 years from 2010 to 2012. they want to have 3 detailed reports on sales team performance, sales in different provinces, and sales of different item groups. Besides, based on the historical data, they want to use a moving average method to predict the monthly sales for the year of 2013. The sales data is from SAP Business One database, and I'm using the ACME Canada localization for this demo. And the demo is created by SAP Crystal Dashboard Design 4.0. So as you can see, this is a demo dashboard connected to the data from Business One database. I basically group different KPIs and put them under 4 tabs in order to answer those 4 requirements. The sales performance tab here contains reports for each salesperson, such as the total gain profits in the past 3 years, the quantities sold in different years by each employee, and the annual sales and the annual sales performance line chart. Plus, there are 2 gauges showing overall sales and total profit margin percentage. And the manager can view different salesperson's performance by choosing the name from this list. As you can see, if I choose some employee, and then the graphics change and show the detailed numbers. And if I move the mouse on certain point of the chart, and you can see the detailed numbers of the from the detailed numbers of some employees. So this is the sales team performance tab. And in the second tab, which is for the sales by province, the sales numbers here are based on the ship to address and group by province. And then a map component is used for the users to choose the sales values for different regions. So when a region is selected, the annual sales numbers are shown in the tables below here. So if I choose Manitoba, and the annual sales of Manitoba shows here. With the grand total sales number provided, the user can have an idea how the sales of the selected province performs. Oh, sorry. So for the tab, which is for the sales by different item group, it shows how much proportion each product line takes, and then which is the best sold in different periods of time. If a certain year is selected, the annual sales details will be shown in the charts and the pie charts. And if I put the mouse on the chart, and then some detailed numbers will show up as well. Right. Plus, I put a list of those product sales details at the bottom, so the user can look at some details for some items here. Oops. So the fourth tab is for the sales forecasting. As mentioned, the management is using the moving average method to calculate the sales for the next year. As you can see, The line chart brings the annual sales for previous 3 years, for 2010 and 2011 and 2012. And plus there is a red line representing the sales of 2013. And the slider down here is featured as a what-if function. So based on the average sales value, the user can see how the future forecast will be if the sales increases or decreases by some percentage. So if I move the slider, and then the red line representing the sales in 2013 will change as well. So if the sales is decreased by 100%, and then everything will become 0. Right. So this is known as predictive analysis. And then there is reset button here. So what you do on the dashboard does not affect the data running in Business One. The reset button can help bring back the original charts and numbers from the system. So you don't need to worry about that you are messing up your database. And this is the dashboard demo for the business scenario provided. Some people may be curious on how I bring the numbers from SAP database. In this slide, I am giving a brief idea on what's going on behind the scene. So the data is from SAP Business One database. Because it's pretty small data sets, I retrieve the data and put it on Excel by using some SQL scripts. And then on Excel, the dashboard you've seen is built with the dashboard design application. So this shows how the data is being passed across different applications and layers. In SAP Business One, there are some default dashboards built in running with real-time data. For example, there is a sales analysis dashboard, service cost dashboard, and cash flow forecasting dashboard. And now I will show my Business One. I'm using Business One 8.82 PL10. So once I activate and enable these dashboards, as you can see, it will be running on my cockpit, on my Business One environment. You can enable these default dashboards from the widget, the dashboard widget here. So once you draw and drop it here, and then you can select those default dashboards, and then it will bring it to your desktop here. And also we can create some customized dashboards for different business needs. Here is one that I created for the top 10 business partners in history. And it's running like those default ones in Business One with the Business One data. And I have a drill down function built in this customized dashboard. So once I click on a column, and it will bring me the business partner master data window. So this one showed the Moore Thompson master data window. And if I click on another one, so this is for the customer C4 40,000, which stands for the Earth Shaker. So if I click on some others, and it will show the detailed data. So these are the customized and defaulted built-in dashboards. So both of them are running in Business One with the real-time data from my Business One database. So you have seen the usability of a dashboard and the concepts behind. Hopefully this demonstration can give you some ideas on how a dashboard works in SAP Business One. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much for your time. And we are now open for questions.